The target audience for Moon Rockets and Moon Dust are definitely people who are, I guess, older heads, and people who are in this industry, they know what that is, and people who don't know what that is, it's people who are longtime smokers of cannabis. I mean, you get the same benefits generally that you would normally get from a CBG product. I usually kind of compare it to a sativa. You get a little bit more energy when you incorporate that product, and so
it's very clear-headed.
Yeah, like I often call CBG the mother cannabinoid because it is the base structure for all the cannabinoids. And so when you take CBG, it's almost like you're getting a snippet of every single cannabinoid that there is because it's the backbone structure. I'm a person, I do not smoke tobacco, but I've always hailed people to at least try something in the cannabis market in regards to these types of products. But I mean, it's definitely not no worse than cigarettes. I'll tell you that right now.
And
like, cigarettes
is...
are terrible for you. And if this is an alternative for a person that is trying to quit smoking, I would highly suggest smoking this than cigarettes. But at the end of the day, you are inhaling fire, and and you should be aware of that. And anytime you are introducing something like that into your lungs, it's probably not the best thing. But if it's allowing you to have some type of relief, then don't stop.
Here we have our CBD Moon Rocket, and it's a brandy wine flower that's been rolled in, or dipped in oil that has terpenes added to it, and then it's rolled in lemon cream diesel Kief. So it's quite a highly flavorful and potent product, and we've been enjoying it quite a bit. So I'll show you how to light it as well, because it's not exactly straightforward. What's involved is called toasting the heel, and if anyone knows about smoking cigars, it's a common thing, but it's especially important with a cone this size because you don't want it to run down the side. So toasting the heel is just burning the front of it very gently, and if it lights up a little bit, you just want to blow it out. It's got flames up a little.
Thank you for saging my office, Alex.
You can always count on me. It takes a while to get going, but once it gets going, it lasts quite a while. But just be careful when you're lighting it because there is a lot of oil on here and there's terpenes added as well. And it will flame up a little bit. Just keep blowing it out as you toast the heel, and you should be able to get it going with no problem.